What it do, you too, it's your boy Lil Smack, man, and y'all already know we're back at it once again with another banger review for you, family. How y'all doing, man? How have y'all been? Gotta keep y'all updated on a couple things, man. Not a lot of shoes been dropping. It has not been that crazy for the half of this year. Usually that back to school time is the best time to get shoes. This and that's what the YouTubers say, but listen, not me. I keep it a buck with y'all, man. Right now, it's been pretty slow, man. Nothing crazy, but for sneakerheads, man, everything's sitting, so whatever you want, go ahead and buy it. One more thing I wanted to say about the Voodoos that are dropping. Those should be an easy cop. Apparently, I'm hearing they're making multiple pairs, so they should be easy to grab. Just don't sleep on them. As soon as they drop, just go ahead and enter some raffles, this and that. You should be able to hit on a pair or two. Nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and get into today's review. As you can see, man, at the top of the box, you got your normal standard red Jumpman with a flip open lid, which means it's not gonna be a 1, 2, or 3 in this thing. It's gonna be something different. Around the box though is your normal standard looking of your Air Jordan box. Let me go ahead and read y'all the colorway. Air Jordan 5, Retro, Varsity MZ Black, Wolf Gray, Anthracite is the colorway. Did get this one in a size 10. Read it and weep. Lifting up the top of the lid, you are met with your normal standard. Oh man, I done forgot to tell y'all. Y'all know, right? This is a sponsored video, man. If y'all wouldn't mind checking out their website, their Instagram, and their WhatsApp, yes sir, all three will be linked in the description down below. You can also use code MACK, M-A-C-K, for $15 off any order, unlimited times. $15 off unlimited. Again, website, Instagram, and WhatsApp will all be in the description down below. If you wouldn't mind, go and check them out. If you see something you like, use code MACK, and I'll see you guys next time. Lifting up the top of the lid though, you are met with your OG black plastic, what we all know and love to see, man. Go and give me that countdown, y'all. 3, 2, 1, bam! Ooh, ooh. The Air Jordan 5 Tokyos, family. Yes, sir. Read it and weep. Fire, gas, grail, mind you add. These are them. Read it and weep, y'all. Let me get y'all the whole shebang. Bam! Check them things out. Boy, I tell you what. These are the Air Jordan 5 Tokyos, family. Tokyos have re-released, y'all. So let me go and get straight into today's review. This shoe has already dropped. It dropped on September 27th. Retail was $215. They did only make 5,000 pairs is what I heard. So very, very limited. So let's get into today's review. Tokyo Air Jordan 5, y'all. Let's go ahead and start with the whole shoe itself. It is in a very, very short-haired suede nubuck. Very nice feeling short-haired suede, might I add. You do have this Japanese sign or Japanese letter. I'm pretty sure it says 23 here on the side, but I don't read Japanese, who knows. The top of the tongue is a nice metallic, I believe, non-metallic gray tongue with a gray Jumpman. You do have your lace lock loop here in gray and clear. Out the box, laced OEM out the joints is black laces, again mesh clear underneath that. Your insole is a nice gray anthracite, to be specific, color for your insole, and then you do have your Air Jordan here on the back. Coming to the back of the shoe itself, you do have a black Jumpman, again with their coming here. Your midsole is a nice rough finish. I do like it. Matte here, matte black here, and then coming down here is white with your standard Jordan 5 spikes here, plastered with a little bit of black speckles. And then underneath is a nice icy outsole with the Jumpman in yellow, your anthracite gray here, another icy outsole there. And then what they made to differentiate this from the original Tokyo 5 is they did add a nice yellow piece here. They made this whole thing completely yellow to differentiate from the original Tokyo 5 that dropped a while ago, and that shoe only dropped in Tokyo, and that's why this was such a grail for so many people, because it was such a limited release. And actually, I do believe this is metallic over here on the tongue, but nonetheless, man, that is pretty much the shoe. It's just a Jordan 5, but it does come with that nice yellow, that Tokyo. It is a masterpiece, might I add. Nonetheless though, it does come out the box with an extra pair of laces if you are interested in changing out them blacks for some white ones. Again, nothing different on your left shoe compared to the right. Everything's pretty much the same. You have here the 23 on your lateral side as well. Jordan 5 there, nothing crazy here. Again, leather quality does have that back booty stroke motion. Don't know if it's gonna pick it up on camera, but it is looking nice. Nonetheless, y'all, this is definitely a very nice shoe, man. Again, dropped September 27th, retail was $215. I will catch y'all again when we have another shoe to review or some crazy sneaker news gets popped in as a clue. All right, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.